Makes bacteria-contaminated tap water potable. Ideal for use in rural locations, emergency kits, boil alerts, at campgrounds, festivals, events, in RVs and for travel. Filter up to 500 gallons of water per day. Reusable high-performance 0.1 micron absolute inline filter fits taps 17 mm to 20 mm, 11/16 to 3/4, hose Bibs, garden hose spigot, and some, not all, faucet aerators. Removes 99.99999% of all bacteria, salmonella, cholera, and E. coli. Removes 99.9999% of all protozoa, such as giardia and cryptosporidium, also removes 100% of microplastics. Tap adapter attaches directly to other Sawyer filters such as mini, dual-threaded mini, micro squeeze, and squeeze water filter, not included. Includes tap filter, backwash adapter, threaded spigot adapter, dual-threaded adapter, tap gauge, extension hose for use in a shallow sink. Top reviews from the United States. Yummy water. I live kinda remotely, so I keep a backup water supply just in case I lose my well or electricity to run the well pump. My daily water tastes fine as long as it goes through my treating system. But lose that and the taste is not the greatest. I've used Sawyer filters for years for backpacking and camping. But this one allows you to collect a lot of water in a short period of time. You don't have to worry about bacteria, E. coli, salmonella, giardia, etc. If you keep up with the news, we are now drinking and eating microplastics as well as the forever chemicals PFAS. Sawyer takes care of the microplastics but not the PFAS, nor heavy metals, arsenic, lead, much less taste and odor. You really need a carbon filter to take care of all of that crap. So I buy the platypus carbon element here on Amazon and place it inline but downstream of the Sawyer filter. See photo as example of setup. What you get is some of the best tasting water you've ever had. You can forget about buying bottled water anymore. I highly recommend this setup to anyone and everyone.